We are well into the holiday season, and as always, finding the perfect tech gifts can be a challenge, which is why I've curated a list of 8 must-have tech stocking stuffers, perfect for this gifting period. If you're looking to surprise someone special or even treat yourself, then look no further. In this video, we'll explore a range of innovative and exciting gadgets that are sure to impress any tech lover, ranging from phone stands to charging solutions, to wireless earphones and speakers, all within a $50 budget. This list is sure to have something for everyone. I should mention, I'm not affiliated with any of these brands, so all recommendations and views are my own. However, I have included affiliate links to all the products in the description of the video, if you wanted to explore them further. What's up guys, this is Shiv, and welcome back to another video. First up is the MOFT Snap MagSafe phone stand and wallet that is just 5mm thin, capable of holding up to 3 cards, and comes in loads of different colours. The folding design allows for really intuitive and flexible usage. All you have to do is snap it on, stand it up, and fold it back into place once you're done using it. It lets you use your phone in 3 different viewing modes: portrait, landscape, and in the new floating mode, which is great for watching videos or taking video calls. I wouldn't say that the wallet has a really premium feel to it, but it definitely doesn't look like a cheap accessory either. The inside of the wallet where the cards sit is made of a soft mesh material, and for $30 you really can't complain about the build quality of this handy little product. The stitching is clean, the magnets are strong, and the movement of the stand itself is really sturdy. I really like this product and I think it's a great gift. Next on the list is the Spigen 01 Ultra Hybrid MagSafe phone case, which is currently available for $26. Spigen have made a name for themselves in the industry for producing really high quality, affordable phone accessories, and this case is no different, offering air cushion technology on the 4 corners of the case and a nice slim profile, reducing the amount of bulk added in your pocket. But what's different about this case compared to all of Spigen's previous iterations is clearly the design, which you can see has been made to replicate the inside of my iPhone 14 Pro Max, giving it a totally different and more interesting look. What's really cool is that Spigen have actually updated the design across all their cases to make sure that it accurately reflects the inside of the phone the case is being put on. So if it's an iPhone 14 Pro Max, it shows the A16 chip, whereas if you buy the case for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, it shows a completely different set of internals. Next up, I've actually found some great wireless earphones to include on this list. This one's a bit of a cheat because the Sony WF-C500 wireless earphones are currently $72, so slightly higher than our $50 budget, but they are reduced from their original price of $100, and actually down from £90 to only £44 in the UK. In the box, you get the charging case, earphones, 2 more pairs of changeable tips, and a USB-C charging cable. The earphones themselves are very lightweight, and the charging case is thin and small, making it really portable. The whole package is slightly plastic feeling, but honestly for the price point, they're not bad at all. The main factor we need to consider is the sound quality of these earphones, and I must say that these small, budget wireless earphones did not disappoint. Coming straight out of the box, the sound is okay, but if you start to tweak the sound profile of these earphones in Sony's headphones app, these really start to improve dramatically. The bass is really strong, and they are probably one of the best sounding earphones available in the $50 to $100 price range. And I think they're a great option if your budget is slightly higher than $50. The next product is one that is really easy to recommend, and a must-have for someone that has a lot of devices and struggles to keep them clean. The WHOOSH screen cleaning kit comes in at $10 and includes a hygiene spray cleaner for your device's screen and a scratch and dust proof microfiber cloth. The pocket spray keeps your screens and devices clean and free from bacteria, removes dust, germs, dirt, and importantly fingerprints, and it is 100% natural and safe, which means that it's non-toxic and alcohol-free and doesn't harm the environment. We're now on to number 5, and I had to include the JBL GO 3 Bluetooth speaker on this list. This mini wireless speaker is really compact and great for listening if you're outdoors or on the go. It provides up to 5 hours of playtime on a single charge and costs only $47. The speaker comes in 8 different colours and it's got a really nice design and feel to it. The The buttons are large and tactile, and it comes in an IP67 rated waterproof and dustproof design, complete with an integrated loop that makes traveling with it really easy. The sound itself is also really impressive. They are loud, clear, and there's very little to no noise distortion when the volume is at its maximum, and the speakers actually handle highs and lows really well. They obviously won't replace your home speakers in terms of volume, but then again, they aren't for that use case either, and they will perform really well if you're sat by the pool or at the park with your friends. There isn't much bass from the speakers, but that is expected considering their small form factor, but overall, I'm really impressed with this package. I think they're really good looking and provide a really solid sound. No gift list is complete without giving mention to the Anker MagGo Powerbank. I feel like over the last year this has become an absolute fan favourite due to both its charging capabilities and the fact that it can be used as a phone stand at the same time. The Powerbank costs $50, comes in 5 different colours and a 5000 mAh capacity, which is enough to charge an iPhone 15 Pro 1.5 times and an iPhone 15 Pro Max just over once. As I mentioned, the built-in foldable kickstand helps keep your iPhone upright firmly using the MagSafe connector, and you can keep it in portrait or landscape orientation depending on your requirements. The Powerbank itself charges via USB-C and is only 13mm thick, which lets you still use your phone using one hand, and obviously because it's a MagSafe accessory, it aligns perfectly every time, making sure you get an efficient charge. This is the perfect gift for someone who's always on the go and wants a really easy, convenient charging solution. Nomad are known for creating really high quality tech accessories, from their range of leather, sport and rugged iPhone cases, charging solutions and lifestyle gear, but I wanted to specifically include the Apple Watch bands on this gift list. Their sport bands come in at $60, but are often available on sale and come in 13 different beautiful colours. They are lightweight, breathable, and made from FKM rubber, which is 100% waterproof, and the channels in the bottom of the band and full-length adjustment holes increase breathability and flexibility. FKM's natural flexibility allows the band to easily contour around your wrist, and its resistance to oils allows it to quickly wipe clean after a workout. The band itself is really high quality, featuring an aluminium closure pin with Nomad branding on the inside, and the tail end of the band tucks away neatly, ensuring a secure closure overall. There's further Nomad branding on the strap itself, and it's compatible for all Apple Watch models, including Ultra, Series 1 to 9, and SE. The last item on the list is of course Apple AirTags. AirTags are a super easy way to keep track of your things. They're little coin-sized trackers that you can attach to your bags, wallets, or even your pets to make sure that you're always able to track their location from the Find My app on your phone. You can even remotely play a sound on the built-in AirTag speaker, making it even easier to locate your items. I personally use AirTags when traveling and put them in my luggage so that I know exactly where my bags are and when to collect them from the luggage carousel. One AirTag costs $29, and you can find a whole range of cases and keyrings in different colours and materials online, which will allow you to attach the AirTag to your items. So that wraps up my ultimate tech gift guide. I hope at least one of these items caught your eye and will make the perfect gift this festive season. If you liked my video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. As always, stay tuned for more exciting content, reviews and guides, and I'll catch you in the next one.